Yo guys, AnirbanG here. Good to see you're back. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're staying safe. And on today's menu, I've got for you the classic Green Moong Dal Chilla. Now, if you don't know what it is, it's a classic North Indian recipe. So without wasting further time, let's just go straight to the kitchen and I'll see you guys over there. Okay, so before we head straight off into the kitchen, I've got a few ingredients to talk about. On the left, we got green moong dal, which is the main ingredient that we're going to need today. We've got salt to taste. We've got some chopped up ginger. We've got chilies, green chilies. We've got oil, coriander, and chopped up onions too. So now all we need to do is put the dal, the green chilies, the ginger, and some salt into the mixture. Okay, so now that it's been mixed up for a while, we're going to take it over to the kitchen and continue with the rest of our journey. Okay, so I hope you guys had a lot of fun, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace!